All right, folks, Matt here, Big Red Liquors, and today this just arrived, our latest Four Roses single barrel. This is an OESF, so that is the 20%, which is actually their lower rye mash bill, and F, which is their herbal yeast. 9 years, 2 months. Picked this out a few months ago, and I'm absolutely loving it today. This thing came in. They don't really give you the proofs or the years when you're tasting these things because they want you to give kind of an unbiased opinion. But 9 years, 2 months, fantastic. Hearing some single barrel picks are in the 7 to 8 year range, which again is fine for Four Roses. But then it arrived at 120 proof, so there weren't that many bottles in this particular barrel. I get this really refined oak on the nose. Definitely it's got that warm baking spice aroma. A little floral, a little bit of orchard, a little bit of apple and pear as well. And then just kind of a hint of vanilla, but not much. Let's taste it. What I love about this particular single barrel is how kind of assertive it is right up front on the mid palate with spice, and then it gets really sweet, and then it ends with spice. So it kind of a bit of a roller coaster. The fruit is there, but the spice dominates it. The vanilla and the sweetness, again, right on the mid palate. There's kind of almost a yeastiness to it as well. Really well balanced, extremely flavorful. When the Four Roses spice characteristic comes out, it's one of the most fantastic in bourbon because it's so balanced with all these other flavors that it's just really enjoyable. I'm gonna try one more sip. Yeah, second round. Palate's a little numb now because it's 120 proof. You start to pick up more fruit. This with an ice cube or in a cocktail would certainly taste delicious, but it tastes delicious just as a sipper all on its own. And that finish, that spice and sugar and spice finish is just going 30, 40, 60 seconds long. Really, really satisfied with this barrel. They're usually always all good. Some are levels better than the others, even though they're all good. I think I would probably put this in that category. It's a level better than some of the other Four Roses single barrels that I've tasted. 120 proof, 9 year, 2 month, Big Red Liquors Select OESF. Cheers.